We are on to Canva hack number. And this one liked it a lot. Doing journals and presentations, you always want the fonts to match and everything. This helped a lot when I was working with PLR a product. Now, Canva did something fun with this year, or last year, 2025. And it is pretty awesome. So I'm going to show you two ways that you can use this. First way is just kind of doing the font and all that. This is pretty basic, right? So let's go ahead and let's get this a little bit fancier. I put bold, italics. I went to effects, and now I'm putting an outline. And let's create an outline that we can all see. No, not that one. Ooh, we'll roll with this just because my eyes on the other colors. Um, let's see here. Let's pick a different font that would really have fun with this one. Okay, I'm going to go back to the thickness on a little bit more. All right. So when you come across things, it could be your PLR products, it could be something that you create yourself, and you're like, oh, I like this. I want this on every single page. This is how you do it. Now, I wish it would continue, but you have to go to the style button every single time you want to. Like if you had 10 pages, you would have to come here, style, go to the first page, do it. Um, You'll see. You'll see. So let me go ahead and actually we will just copy. Okay, here we go. We are going to grab this little we're just going to click on this it's paint roller, copy style. All right, done. Now I'm going to go over to this page and I'm going to go like that. Look at how easy that was. And then you would have to do it. Oh, you would have, see, I would love for it to just keep on going, right? But no, have to, and then go, and there we go. That is one way you can do it with the fonts, color, in a text. Now the next one is you're going to copy the art style. So let's go here on this page, and let's see here. I'm going to grab this. I'm going to grab this. I think that'll be right now. You can see that, if I put these on the page, it's not that they don't match. Well, they don't really match. They don't. But we can match the art style. And let me show you what that means. And I am going to do this reversed way too. All right, so there we go, there we go. First thing is I am going to click on this. I'm going to click on the style button and I'm going to go, this will pop up when it's an element. It's not, this won't happen on elements that you load in or anything like that. It's only Canva elements that this will happen with. I copied that style and I'm going to go down to this and see how it's like, it's kind of thinking, right? And then we'll see what the style would pop up. Look at that. Do you see that? It even put like little stars right there. And you can like it changed. Do you see from the main one? Look at that. Now let's try it this way to this one. I'm gonna go style, yes, and then I'm going to do those, and let's see what how they turn out. But this will make your designs more cohesive. It's almost there. It's almost there. But yeah, I like that. Ooh, look at that. It outlined him. Really like that. Yeah. Huh. I don't quite know why it did the black outline. These don't have black outlines, but hey, it does have the little, the outline, not the outline, but the highlights and stuff. But hey, these would go good together and these would go good together. These are really cool. Now, if you want to save them as your stuff, then what I would do, this is my little cheat thing. Shh. All right, so go over because you can download these images if you have another image with it. I used to be able to do this, so they better let me do this. Elements, go to shapes. I'm just going to grab a one that covers all that. I'm going to go over and position it to the back like that. I am going to go over, click on the color, and I am going to click the no color. All right. And then let's see if it'll let me do it. I grouped, well, not really. I put them together. Ooh, there we go. Download selection. And I would do this, of course, as a PNG, transparent background. And then if you want it a little bit bigger, you'll do, I'll just do 2. All right. The ones that I kind of created, this is what I could do. Now, yes, the name, I just haven't changed the name. But you got upload files. And there it is. And now I have my very own little thing like that. Now, let me show you. Here we go. If you want to put this in a folder, which I'm going to, this is a side hack, guys. You got lucky on this one. You're going to come over here and you're going to go move and then uploads. What folder? I'm going to go clipart. I have clipart folder and then I just move it right there. I like that. Now I could also create a folder here, clipart, to use. And now I have the clipart right there. Okay. What you can do is just upload it directly to your folder too. This was just a new kind of thing and I didn't really plan to tell you about this, but hey, there you go. When I'm in my designs, elements, I can come over here to folders, clipart, and there we go. There you go. Kind of more than you expected, huh? All right, now we're on to Canva hack number 3.